It was back in 1998 when Dr. Charles Volk decided to open the Dakota Eye Surgery Center in Bismarck, North Dakota. He had worked as an eye surgeon in a hospital, but wanted to provide an experience that was more comforting and more neighborly than what was available in the hospital. So he set out to form this eye surgery center. But after the first few months, he knew he needed to make a change. He knew he needed to deliver care with more heart. He'd hired a very capable administrator, but who was very cold and kind of regimented with the staff and with patients. And then he remembered Mary Radke, his old friend from his hometown. Mary was running a surgical center 75 miles away and was having a great reputation for the care she was delivering the team that she had built. And so he gave Mary a call and said, "Would you consider coming down and helping us run our eye surgery center?" And despite that Mary would have to commute 75 miles each day, she said absolutely. She saw an opportunity to deliver the kind of care that she really believed in. And as she said about hiring staff for the center, she was not so focused on their prior experience in surgery centers. She was more concerned with how much does this person care about people and patients. In addition, they changed the focus from being about the procedure to being about how the patient would perceive the experience. They hired dedicated greeters that when patients and their families came in to the practice, they would be greeted and welcomed, and when they take them through an explanation of the procedure, families would then be brought into an observing room where they could see the procedure going on. They're provided with cookies and all kinds of other things. And then within 24 hours, every patient would get a phone call from the physician and a handwritten note wishing them well and encouraging them a speedy recovery. What did happen in return? Well, as a result, Dakota Eye Surgery Center has a 98.9% of their customers give them an outstanding rating for satisfaction. Their practice has nearly tripled in size since 1998, and nearly 50% of their patients come through referrals from other patients. They've won all kinds of awards in their little corner of paradise in Bismarck, North Dakota.